daily planet update, and I wanted to talk about these anomalies that we're seeing around the sun. They're definitely looking like a planet. Something, you know, what I think it is this right here. Let's see, what did I do with that picture? Okay, I think it's this right here. I think it's this Trojan asteroid. And I think it's cool to watch it, and so we'll watch it for a second here. This is what it looks like. Going around, swirling around. It's got all the hallmarks of the Trojan planet. Here, we'll watch it again. See how they swirl around? That's all the way that the Trojan asteroid does. And then here's another day of it. Let me go to that. That was the 25th. Let's go to the 26th. Playing it again. It's hard to get this thing to stop once it gets going. Anyway, same thing. We're seeing the same thing here. And I don't know if y'all know how to look it up, but here's, whoops, that's not it. If you want to look at the orbital diagram, you just go to the NEO, Near Earth Object Program, and type in 2010 TK7, and then it'll, just type that in. You have to put that in because it's, I had to try a bunch of wildcards to get that to come up. And then it'll go to the orbital diagram for 2010 TK7. You just hit go on it, watch it go around. And what it does is it swirls around this. Oh, that's going backwards. Try going forwards. Anyway, it swirls around the Earth's orbit like it does little donuts around like this. 1 month ahead, or 2 months. It said in 2010 they said it was 2 months in front of Earth, and we couldn't see it for the last 2 years. From 2010 to 2011 to 2012 we couldn't see it. It started in 2013. We could start seeing it, so I think it's gaining. The Earth is gaining on it. It wasn't supposed to, but when it's 2 years ago we couldn't see it, and then 2 years later now we can see it. That tells me that it's gaining. The Earth is gaining on it, and someday we're going to catch up to it. Maybe in another 2 years, a year or two, we might catch up to it. So we need to keep that in mind. Let's see. Here's some other pictures that I saw of it that remind me of it. Let's see, where was that? I'll probably have to go to it. Take all this stuff down so I can get to the pictures. Okay, first thing I noticed was this right here. I think that's TK7 right there. I think this is too. See how it goes in the little elliptical pattern right there? And then here's some more elliptical patterns I've found in other pictures of mine. This was on February 3rd in California, Owen Valley, VLBA. Here's the elliptical pattern, same place, same time, just a few minutes later. And this was in North Carolina on the eastern camera. This was in France on January 25th. January 20th in Alaska. And let me get this out of the way for a second here. This was in Cabezon, I think that's Spain. And this was in Spain on January 3rd. And this is in Spain on January 24th. But anyway, this is just crazy, you know. Anyway, here's another. Oh, well, I thought I had an illustration here. Well, I'll put the links in the description box if I can't find it.